So hello friend, this is Kausu Patare again with a new video. Welcome to our channel Making Maths Easy. So today in this video we are going to solve the sum based on the complex number. So we have to prove this that if x plus iy the whole cube is equal to y plus iv, then show that y upon x plus v upon y is equal to 4x square minus y square. So let's start. First of all, we will take this whole expression, not the whole expression. We will take only this. So we write it as, or we will simplify this. So we have the following expression, and we write the expression as we have the expression, and we write it as in this way. So we have to first out we have to simplify this expression. So x plus iy the whole cube, as we know this formula for simplification of the expression as a plus b the whole cube gives me a plus b the whole cube gives me equal to a cube plus 3a square b 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. So this is the formula for finding a plus b the whole cube, the formula for a plus b. So same formula we have to apply over here, x plus iy the whole cube. So first will be x cube plus x cube plus 3x square iy, 3x square iy plus 3x iy square plus y cube. So this we have to simplify. So here it is here it is I square, and here it is x square, here it is y square. So we will simplify it. So first of all write x cube as it is, so which become equal to x cube plus 3x square, so x square iy plus 3x, and put a bracket and write I square plus, sorry, I square, then again y square, and close the bracket and write plus y iy cube. Here it will be iy cube. So I have made a mistake over here. So I y cube into I cube, it will be y cube into I cube. So in this way we have to write it as follows. So which will be equal to x cube plus 3x square iy plus 3x I square y square plus y cube I cube. Now one thing you have to remember in this case, as the values of I square and I cube, I told you in the previous videos that I square is equal to -1 and I cube is equal to I cube is equal to minus I. So we have to replace the I square value of I square and I cube by -1 and minus I in this case. So we will do it, which will be equal to I cube is equal to minus I. So after putting these values, we will express it in the form of a plus ib, and we will get the real and imaginary values, or the real and imaginary parts. So we will write x square plus 3 one thing we have to do, take this part over here, okay, and this part backside, so we will get the perfect real part and the imaginary part. So it will be plus 3x, and then I square is equal to minus 1, and then y square, and then we have to take the imaginary part, then which is imaginary part is this first of all. So we will take here and this, so it will be y cube plus y cube I cube, and I cube is equal to minus I, so y cube I cube, and value of I cube will be minus I, so I will write it as in the bracket as minus I. So now we have to solve it as, so first of all it will be x cube minus 3x y square. So we will write it as x cube minus 3x y square, and then we have to plus it as then we have to take I as a common, and then we have to put a bracket for the imaginary part. So this x cube minus 3 x y square will be my real part, and the other part is the imaginary part. So the imaginary part will be 3x square y minus y cube. This will be the imaginary part, and this will be the real part in this case. So uh, the particular function or the particular value is equal to this. So we have to write it here in a note that the given equation equal to this. So we have to split it in the form of real and imaginary parts, as this y is a real part and v is the imaginary part, such as a plus ib, where a is the imaginary part and b is the real part. So my y will be imaginary and v will be my real part. So this part will be the imaginary part without I, and real part without I, and this will be my imaginary part with I, with taking I, okay, by taking the I. So this will be imaginary and this will be the real part. So we will do it, and the given expression or the given function we have is as y upon x plus v upon y is equal to 4x square minus y square. So we have this function, so we write this function as it is. First of all, write values of y equal to this, as by or on comparing right here, on comparing we get y equal to, on comparing we get y equal to this, and the value of x and the value of v equal to this. So on comparing we got the values, and then we have the equation as, we have following equation as follows. So the equation we are having here is this. So we will take this equation and write over here. So after writing the equation, we know that y upon x plus v upon y is equal to 4x square minus y square. So do one thing in this case, take the left hand side, take the LHS of this equation, and then do one thing, solve the LHS. So as we have the values of y and v, here it is the value of y, here it is the value of v. So put the values in the LHS left hand side over here, and then get the answer. So LHS equal to this. So LHS is equal to this. Now we will put the values. So put a bracket and y upon this, then y, the value of y is equal to this, and then put a divide operator over here, and then y upon this, the value of y is equal to this, plus v upon y, the value of v is equal to this, so it will be v upon y in this case. So use the divide operator again, and then upon y. Now close the bracket. Now we will get the answer. Now do one thing, uh, again use the divide operator and take x common in the numerator, and then we will get x square minus 3y square, 3y square, and put a bracket and close the bracket, and then divided by x, plus uh, again take the divide operator and then take y as a common, and then write 3x square, 3x square minus y square, and divided by y, and then close the bracket and close the main bracket. Okay, so divide x and divide y. In this case, the x is in the numerator and denominator, so we will cancel x over here, and also we will cancel the y over here. So after cancelling the x and y, the value we will get will be this, as well as plus this. So we will write here as cancelling x and y, we get the values as this plus this. Now we will solve it. So it is quite and better, and we are near to our answer. So we get the answer as x square plus 3x square gives me 4x square, and minus 3y square minus y square gives me minus 4y square. So the 4x square minus minus 4y square will be my final answer. So hence we have proved, and take 4 as a common over here, so it will become 4x square minus y square, so which is equal to RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS in this case. So we have done with the sum, we have completed the sum. We have proved that y upon x plus v upon y is equal to 4x square minus 4 into the x square minus y square, according to this sum. So if you like the video, please share, subscribe and comment on my YouTube channel, Making Maths Easy. So for more videos related to mathematics, please subscribe my channel, like my videos. Okay, thank you for watching.